Hello everyone, my name is Matt and welcome back to Chiang Mai, Thailand. Today we are at the Elephant Nature Park. It is a sanctuary for elephants, buffalo, cats, dogs, rabbits. I think there's even some other animals here. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. There's over 100 elephants here and they're all rescues. So all of them worked in tourism or logging. You know, some of them are like, I think they said the oldest one is like 90 years old or something like that, maybe older. So at this park, we're not really allowed to feed them. We can't ride them, obviously. We're not really supposed to touch them. Just a little bit if the guide says we can like touch their shoulder or something, but we're pretty much just observing them, just pretty much watching them eat, because that's what they do all day. So it's a really nice place. They really care about the animals here, you can feel that. And the guides know like pretty much all of the elephants by name. Not all of them, but most of them by name, and she knows a little bit about each one's story and stuff, so it's really a cool experience. Alright, I hope everyone enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment below if you have anything you'd like to say or any questions you'd like to ask. And yeah, we will see you in the next one. Bye.